Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno15 FS and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with the customization. We have to open the settings and here let's scroll and find display and brightness. Then scroll down again and find the eye care, which is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. And let me ignore this first section because it is automatic, so we cannot really customize it. I wanted to focus on this eye protection, on the custom one. So to turn it on, we have to tap on the switcher next to the custom. And now we can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is a little bit different. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Here we've got this intensity switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer. So of course set it on the intensity which is the most comfortable for you. Here we've got also display effects. Let's tap on it. So we've got the color and basically everything is the same, just not infected but affected by the eye care, or we can set black and white and everything will be displayed in black and white manner. We can also schedule that feature, which is right here, this option I mean. Tap on it, tap on the switcher, and now we can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly to this schedule. Alright, so this is the whole customization of the eye protection mode, and if you wish to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar and try to find eye comfort right here. In my case, I've got this icon there on the second, let's say, page, but if you do not have one, no worries. All you have to do is to tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon, tap on got it. Here we've got this plus icon in the left upper corner, so just tap on it. And now you can find the eye comfort icon somewhere here, tap on it and hold it, or actually tap and your device will automatically add it to the list. Then tap on done and you will have the eye comfort. So basically simply tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.